So now by now you must be knowing where am I, because this music is played only at one location in the entire world, and it is Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, and it's about 12 a.m. now, and it feels really good because you can see there is good amount of drizzle and a lot of greenery, and I feel really good taking a walk around here because it's so calm and pristine. It feels really good actually. So we are staying here. We took a small room here, and the location is also really beautiful. You can see uh, a park over there, very well maintained, and this is Tirumala. Can you imagine? These rooms are actually not uh, closer to the temple. You're near closer to the temple, you'll find those small rooms, right? Those matchbox kind of rooms. This is a little away from it, and these rooms are quite good. And yes, I've never taken a walk at 12 a.m. in the night in Tirumala, and so I thought, let me make a vlog and share my experience about taking a walk here because it's really good. Let me show you another thing. So those are some more cottages, and that's one cottage sponsored by HCL, and this is how it looks. So, have you ever taken a room here? Currently, we are staying at Bhaskar Bhavan. Do let me know in the comment section because I mean I'm enjoying this. Right after the darshan was really good. We actually went at around 4 p.m. Because that was our darshan time, and we entered at 4 p.m. Usually, people enter 1 hour before the darshan timing, and they try to get out about after around 3 hours. But today, we got in at 4 p.m. and you know the waiting time was about 4 hours. We were just waiting. It's a Sunday, just after Ganesh Chaturthi, and we thought that because it's festival time and it's a Sunday, and that too in the evening, no, not many people would be there, but huge amount of crowd even during festival times. And yeah, we waited for 4 hours, and then we went in, and that moment that you get to see Balaji, right, Lord Venkateshwara, it's a different feeling altogether. All that pain that you took to reach the temple on the top washes away as soon as you see Lord Venkateshwara, and that is the feeling that we all look forward each time we come to Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams. And I want you all to, take a trip to Tirumala and experience this journey of, going from your residence to Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams and waiting there and then finally getting a chance to see Lord Venkateshwara. And yeah, so we came out. We had about 4 tickets. So each ticket you get about one laddu, and if at all you need extra laddus, you get about 5 extra laddus, and you'll have to pay 50 rupees each if you need that laddu. And that laddu is about small in size, and it will cost you about 250 for 5 laddus. And if at all you want to distribute it among your relatives and other family, friends, and stuff like that, you can do it. And it'll, they say that if you come to meet Lord Venkateshwara, and the laddu that you get, the prasadam, it's good if you share it with people uh, around you when you get back home. So yeah, you can listen to the music, right, and also to the sound of this nature. Kick-ass, man. feels so good. Just taking a few deep breaths. This is Seven Hills, and this is on top of the hill. And now I feel like how it would be, each time we go to a trek and go on top of the hill. It's usually in the afternoon times, and there is not much wind. But in the night, now I'm getting that feeling how it would be there if we do a night trek on those hills. Look at that. Look at the wind, bro. Crazy.